Welcome back. So we are still under logarithm. Going to the third law. Now, logarithm of 1. So what does this law trying to tell us? The law is trying to tell us that if 1 is the number of a logarithm of any base, the result will be what? Will be 0. So if 1 is the number of a logarithm of any base, the result will be what? 0. What are we trying to say? This is what we are trying to say. That if you have log a raised to the power of 1, the result is what? 0. So when you see questions like this in an objective questions, just go for 0 directly. So if 1 is the number of a logarithm of any base, the result will be what? The result will be 0. Now, let's solve some examples. For example, now let's say we have log 5 to the power of 1. When you have log 5 to the power of 1, what is the answer? The answer is what? 0. Don't stress yourself. The answer is what? 0. You get? So if you have log 7 to the power of 1, the answer is what? 0. If you have log 10 to the power of 1, you have what? You have 0. So if you watch the first video I did on logarithm, there is a theory we talked about there that I said, let's say we have log a to the power of b is equals to c, right? I told you that a to the power of c will now be equals to what? B, right? If you have log a to the power of b equals to c, then a to the power of c will be equals to what? B. A to the power of c will be equals to b. Now, if you have log 5 to the power of 1 equals to 0, that means 5 to the power of 0 will be equals to what? 1. And anything raised by 0 is what? 1. Do you get it? Log 7 to the power of 1 equals to 0. That will be 7 to the power of 0 will be equals to what? 1. 7 to the power of 0 is what? 1. So are you clear with this now? So when you see questions like this, don't stress yourself solving anything. Logarithm, if 1 is the number of a logarithm of any base, the result is what? 0. Now going to the fourth law. Logarithms to its own base. Now, logarithm to its own base. What is this law telling us? It means if a number of a logarithm is the same as its own base, then the result will be what? The result will be 1. What are we trying to say? Now, this is what we're trying to say. That is, if we have log a to the power of a is equals to what? 1. If a number of a logarithm is the same as the base of that logarithm, shall you get? The result is what? 1. So meaning log a to the power of a is equals to what? 1. Let's go further. For example, we are trying to say log 2 to the power of 2 will be equals to what? 1. If you have log 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 1. Log 3 to the power of 3 will be equals to 1. Log exponential to the power of exponential will be equals to 1. So the logarithm, if a number of any logarithm is the same as the base of that logarithm, then the result is what? The result is 1. So put this at the back of your mind. If you have log 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 1, log 5 to the power of 5 is equals to 1, log 100 to the power of 100 is equals to 1. So it's the same thing as saying, okay, now let's apply that theory I talked about. Now look at it. Log a to the power of a is equals to 1, meaning a to the power of 1 is equals to what? A. A to the power of 1 is equals to A. A to the power of 1 is what? It's still A. 2 to the power of 1 is still 2. I hope you understand. So please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video and share this video. Thank you.